Easter Sunday, Nepo Market, or Nepo Mart, Nepo Mall, whatever you want to call it. Go down. I don't know. You want to go in, or you want to go in and down? Huh?
What's your style?
We are here to get some fruit and some charcoal. What are we doing for dinner tonight, babe? Grilled chicken. Well, the mangoes look good.
Yes, sir.
We'll be picking a lot of mangoes in our backyard soon. Hello. But I've been on an apple kick lately. Apples, apples, apples.
You want pears?
I like apples. These oranges look very nice. Oranges look good. Sure. So the Nepo Market. Longaniza.
How many pieces you want? 3 orange?
Just 3, yeah. That's fine. Lots of stuff. Okay. Onward bound for charcoal, right? Huh? I don't know. But you're the one that knows where the charcoal is. It's right over here.
Go that side.
We haven't made any videos of this area in quite a long time. Where's our truck driver? Huh? Where'd he go?
He's coming.
Okay.
You want to go inside?
Anywhere you want to go, hon. You know where it's at. Just show me the way.
Because we're going to... Gang, doon na. Doon na lang sa may gate. Lalabas kami dito.
Okay. Now we're entering the maze. Woohoo! This is Kamar. Han. Spell with a C or a K? Hey, how are you? Yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, what's up, man? Oh, everybody's. Goofballs. They're funny. I gotta put my head down, man. I can scrape it. That's what you call a low-hanging market right there. We will find charcoal if it kills us. Unimaker department store used to be all Suki market in there at one time until it burnt. October of what, 2020, 2021. I made a video of it when this place burnt, caught on fire. I didn't even know it was October, but I think in 2021 maybe. And now it's a Unimaker. What we got, hon?
Charcoal.
How many bags? 2?
Yeah. Awan ay umudag dumagamin at tuno ngay ka awan charcoal me. One.
Hindi na kayo madam kita ta?
Kami pa lang board. Kami lang likod disco.
Ay, di nagalisan nga pala kita eh. Pwede mo yan.
Hanggang pa. May mga tawad may pamit dyan.
Kumontra tayo dyan. Ano ba isang natin dyan?
This is the east.
All right. Got the charcoal so we can cook our chicken tonight. Where's our trike? Did he speed up ahead of us? My barber shop is right over there behind that blue tarp. Right over in there. Or behind the green tarp rather. Right next to it. You good, babe? So what do you think, hon? Did you enjoy your day?
Yeah, even it's too hot.
Even though it's too hot?
Yeah.
Where did we go today? We went to Lukap Wharf. We went to Proxy Hotel.
The newly opened hotel in town.
Proxy Plus?
Yeah, Proxy Plus, a 4-star hotel here in Alaminos City.
Yeah. You gotta speak up. The microphone is way inside. Otherwise,
You need a mic.
yeah, I've got it. Yeah. But yeah. Anyways, what now? What hotel.
Yeah, and then they tour us inside the hotel, show us the rooms, including their infinity pool and the jacuzzi.
Yeah, it was
Which
fun.
you can in the pool you can walk in. For adult is 500 pesos and 250 for kids.
Yeah.
Even the jacuzzi the same amount.
Okay.
So that's it.
Is
And
it 250 for kids?
yeah,
All right.
it's like and with rider this their suite over there.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
That's
Pretty good stuff. Thank you, sir. You can just put it here. Great. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.